Today, oh no, okay, just keep going. Today, why am I doing this? Okay. Today I'm going to show you a great budget-friendly dish. This is a chicken thigh. It is chicken thigh. This is a chicken thigh dish.
Dutch oven Mediterranean chicken thighs.
Dutch oven Mediterranean chicken thighs. Thanks. Come on in. Let me show you how delicious this looks. This takes about 5 minutes of prep with olives and broccoli and chicken thighs and chicken broth, and it cooks in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. Super delicious. Let me show you how to make it right now. Start off by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then heat up your Dutch oven to medium. Add some extra virgin olive oil, and then you're going to saute the chicken on each side for about a minute, basically until each side is nicely browned. This is going to braise it and give it extra flavor while it cooks. Keep the flavors in. Yum. One more. What's that? What is that? Okay. And next we are going to... What was that? Now we're going to cook. We're going to cut broccoli into florets, into steaks is what we're going to do. That's when you cut them like that so they come out nice and thin like a steak. Oh boy. And then we're going to cut an onion. This is not the best way to cut an onion, by the way. This is probably, I'm sure any real chef out there will be looking at this going, is she really going to cut an onion that way? That is not safe. All right. Well, anyways, you cut them into strips. You cut the chicken, you flip the chicken over like that, and there you go. Make sure that each one is successfully flipped, and then you cover it with broccoli. And you see that the leaves are still on there. Broccoli leaves are super nutritious. Then we're going to cover it with the onions, and then, oh boy, what's going to happen next? We're going to put about 20 olives on the top that I already drained, and we're going to put a little salt. Don't need a lot of salt because they're the olives, some pepper, and some oregano, and then about a teaspoon of oregano, and then a teaspoon of rosemary. Finally, we are going to add chicken broth. Now I have my own chicken bone broth that I added. It's super thick and delicious, so I'm only using about 2 cups of that, and then I was going to add 2 cups of water. If you're just using chicken broth, you should probably use 4 cups of chicken broth. Here I am adding a little bit more. This suddenly feels like a slideshow from our family vacation. Here I am adding some more chicken broth down in Florida on the Keys. And now I am putting it in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes, and then I pull it magically. It's cooked, and there you have it. Steamy, yummy Mediterranean chicken thighs with olives. What's it called again? Oh, yeah, whatever. Okay, it's honest opinion time.
Yeah, lots of good flavors. Did you add rosemary to this? Or was it
Oregano or rosemary? And my tooth just fell out.
Oh my god. Black. Wow.
Gold. Delicious.